Dear Year 10 students, I want to explain you exercise 2 star. It's about HCF and LCM. Some students didn't write some question here. For example, that type of question. This is a problem, word problem about the HCF and LCM, and that type of question. I think you didn't write that part, yes, and this part. So I will explain you now. So I want to start from the easiest one, which one is, for example, first I want to explain 12 and 18, HCF and LCM. Then I will explain that type of question and this type of question, okay? So now listen carefully, and if you want, you can take a paper and pen, so you can write with me. When I explain, you can stop the video and then try to solve for yourself, okay? And then you can realize you know or not, or you understand the solution or not. Okay, the first one is we should find HCF for 12 and 18 and LCM for 12 and 18. So how can we find? Firstly, we should write all the factors of 12 and 18 and simple factors. 12 divided by 2, we should start with the small number, which one is 2. 12 over 2, 6 times. 6 over 2, 3 times. And 3 over 3, 1 times. When you get 1, you should stop. Then, what about 18? Oh, sorry. 18 over 2, 9 times. 9 can't divide by 2, that's why start with 3. 9 over 3, 3 times. Then 3 over 3, oh my god, what is that? So sorry. 3 over 3, 1 times. So that's it. So the factors of 12 is 2, 2, 3, and factors of 18 is 2, 3, and 3. For the HCF, you need to find the same factors. Look at here. 2 and 2, the same factors. That's why we should take one of them. Then 2 and 3, it's not the same, so we don't need to take. And 3 and 3, so it's the same factors. That's why we need to take. And right here with multiplication, 2 times 3 is 6. That's it. It's the HCF of these numbers. And what about LCM? So for the LCM is equal to, you should choose the biggest one. Biggest one means 18, or you can write as a factors, for example, 2 times 3 times 3, like that. But I prefer to take the number, like 18 multiplied by, then if you take the biggest one, then look at to the factors of the smaller number. Which one is 2, 2, and 3? So then, which factors is different than 18's factors? Look at here. For example, 2, we have 2. Then 2, we have 3. 3, we have 3 here. So we have one more 2, because here we have 1, 2, but here we have 2, 2, 2. That's why it is more than 18. That's why we should multiply by 2. You can ask me, teacher, why we didn't take 3? Because some students confuse this situation, this step. Why we didn't take 3? Because we have 2, 3 here. But guys, we took 18 already. That's why we don't need to take again. We don't need to choose again 3. So 18 times 2 is 36. That's it. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6, and LCM of 18 and 12 is 6. That's it, okay?